welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and today we're going to be making a vanilla spice coffee scrub. So this is going to be really nice for fall because it will not only help exfoliate all the dry skin that comes with fall and having your heat on, but it will also moisturize as well as cleanse. So it's a really all-purpose kind of scrub. So in my glass bowl here, I have 1 ounce of shea butter, and an ounce is about 2 tablespoons if you don't have a scale or something to measure on. So 1 ounce of shea butter. Then I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of almond oil, and this is where all of your moisturizing properties are going to come from the shea butter and the almond oil. And now that we have those added in, we're just going to go ahead and microwave this in 30-second intervals until the shea butter is completely melted. If you didn't want to use a microwave, then instead you could just make a double boiler and melt down the shea butter that way. Alright, so I have this all melted down, and I'm just going to give it a quick stir here. And as I said, this will be really moisturizing to the skin with the sweet almond oil and the shea butter. The sweet almond oil is actually really high in vitamin E, which has great skin benefits. And then the shea butter has a lot of antioxidants in it, so it's good for anti-aging, as well as it boosts your skin's moisture levels. So the two of them combined together will make for a very moisturizing scrub. Then next, I have 1/3 cup of coffee grounds. I'm just going to dump that in and stir everything up again. All right, that looks really good there. Now next, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of Castile soap. I like the 7 Minerals brand, but you can use whatever brand you would like. And this is where the cleansing properties are going to come in. And you could leave this out if you didn't want the soap in there. Go. Give that another stir. And you do get some aroma from that coffee, as well as the shea butter and the sweet almond oil kind of have a nutty aroma. And now we are going to add in our essential oils. And as I said, this is a vanilla spice scrub, so we're going to add in 10 to 15 drops of vanilla. And then we're going to add in 5 drops of cinnamon. And finally, we're going to add in 5 drops of clove. Now, both cinnamon and clove are hot oils, so you do want to make sure you're staying within proper usage rates when you put these in, because if you use more than what's recommended, it can end up irritating your skin. All right, and then I'm just going to give that a good stir. And I love how this combination is, the vanilla and the cinnamon and the clove. I also do a lotion bar where I use this oil combination, and it's one of my favorites. Great for fall too, because it's kind of like a bakery scent. There we go. All right, so now that I have everything all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and put it in some containers. Now this will stay good for about 3 months as is. You can add in a preservative if you want it to last longer, or if you were going to sell it, you would definitely want to put a preservative in it then, just because it potentially can come in contact with water, since it's a scrub you're going to be using when you're bathing or showering, and once you introduce water, that can allow bacteria and things to grow. So I'm just using this for personal use, so I'm not going to add in a preservative. I know to keep it out of that, letting it get moisture in it. But like I said, if you want it to last longer, or if you're gonna sell it, definitely put a preservative in it. And here's a close-up of what the scrub looks like as far as its consistency. You can see it's not super thick, but it's a little on the thicker side just with the Castile soap and the shea butter. So it'll be really easy to apply that to your skin. It shouldn't slide off, which is kind of the consistency you're looking for. All right, and now I'm just gonna get this into my jars. I like to use bale jars for scrubs and things like that because they're airtight. I got these from IKEA, but you can get them other places too. Amazon has some, Target has some. You just want some kind of container that is gonna be airtight. And the real challenge is going to be if I can get this in the container without making a horrible, horrible mess. Because usually I am not the best pourer. We all have our strengths. Pouring and spooning things into containers is not mine. And as you can see, this made one 4-ounce container of scrub, but you could easily double or triple the recipe if you wanted to make more or give it out as gifts. But that is all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.